Hi, it's Josh from clickies.org, and today we'll be looking at how to change your desktop wallpaper on a Windows computer. If you're running a Mac, you may want to check out my companion video, How to Change Your Desktop Wallpaper on a Mac Computer. So to start on Windows, we're going to head down to the bottom left where it says Start, click Start, and then head up to Control Panel, click Control Panel. From here, depending on your version of Windows, it may be a little bit different. I recommend looking for keywords like appearance and personalization, desktop background, or even screensaver. Get to the settings on your own individual system. I'm working on Windows 7, and in Windows 7, all you have to do is click Change the Theme. So once we click Change the Theme, we get to the Windows Themes section. Now, the Windows themes basically determine what sounds you're going to hear on your computer, what the visuals are going to look like, so what your text is going to look like, and obviously what your background is. From here, we're just going to head down to Desktop Background, and you can select any one of these preset pictures as your desktop background. I'm going to choose this one right here. And once we do that, let's just look at a couple more things before we leave this window. For one, if you ever get to this window and you don't see these preset backgrounds, you can always head up to this drop-down menu, and from these options, select Windows Desktop Backgrounds. Also, if you would like a slideshow on your desktop, there's that option. You can select multiple with these checkboxes, and if you don't, you just hit the actual picture to just select one. If you ever have too many selected, you can head over to the Select All or Clear All to select all of them, or clear all of them. So those are just a few options you have. So once you have the one or ones you would like as your desktop wallpaper, you head down to the bottom right here and click Save Changes. Let's go ahead and minimize this window so we can see what we got. Great, so we have this working. Looks good to me. Of course, a lot of times you're going to want to use a sort of personal picture on your desktop, such as, a picture of your family or your pet, something like that. To do that, you just navigate. Again, I'm going to navigate to my pictures folder. You navigate to wherever the picture is stored on your computer. So you may have it in your desktop or your documents. In this case, it's going to be in Business Pics under my pictures folder. From here, I found the picture I'd like, and what I'm going to do is just right-click on the picture, all right, and then say Set as Desktop Background, and boom, we have it. Perfect. So just a quick run over those two different options. To get a generic picture onto the Windows desktop, we go to Start, Control Panel, change the theme, Desktop Background, and then it changed a bit. Remember, if it ever is not on those generic pictures, you just go up here to the drop-down menu and hit Windows Desktop Backgrounds. It looks like they're all selected right now, so I'm just going to say Clear All and select the one I'd like. Then I go down here to Save Changes, and ta-da, it's done. Remember, to get a personal picture on your desktop, you're going to want to hit Start, or wherever the picture is. In this case, it's in my Pictures folder. Navigate to the picture, right-click the picture, and hit Set as Desktop Background. And that's how you set your Windows desktop background. Remember, you can download pictures from the internet onto your computer and set it the same way by navigating, right-clicking, and say Set as Desktop Background. If you're not sure how to get pictures from the internet, please do a search on my YouTube channel for downloading pictures from the internet. Thanks so much for checking out the video today. I hope we were able to help you. And again, this is Josh from clickies.org, and I'll see you next time.